This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, January 30th. Stock index futures under some pressure with the coronavirus, still very much a negative for this market. But keep in mind that any slowdown in the global economy as a result will be met with more accommodation from the world's central banks. That has ultimately been the recipe for rescue for this market time and time again over the last 10 or more years for the stock index futures. And I still believe that in the first quarter that the stock index futures will be higher on the quarter. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index recently has been stronger, and I feel that the reason for this is that the central banks around the world likely to lower interest rates or ease credit to one degree or another, including the Fed, but the Fed may be a bit slower in their accommodation compared to other central banks, and that suggests that the dollar index will gain on most other currencies. Also, this appears to be a minority of view. Most analysts are looking for the dollar to weaken. I'm looking for the dollar to advance. Interest rate markets, flight to quality buying coming in again, of course, due to the possibility of a slowdown globally in the economy as a result of the coronavirus. Precious metals higher, and it appears that the charts are looking a bit more friendly. So I do like the gold and silver. I think we are very close to some breakouts to the upside, especially in the gold market. Also, getting back to the interest rate futures markets, there now is an 85% probability that the Fed will be cutting rates at the December meeting. Even though at the FOMC meeting yesterday there was no clue of lower rates, keep in mind that the Fed must do eventually what the free markets demand. And right now, free markets are saying more accommodation is needed. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.